Hi guys, and this is something that I just wanted to talk about. My Lego Hero is sort of drawing. Hi Golden. Yep, it's not the perfect one, but it's okay. I'll give you the FPS. Wait, don't listen. Actually, it'll be on the right side because that's where I'm things from. There we go. Go away, Jay! There's your FPS. Double bar cotton handle and looks like the whole thing. As you can see. No! Get the further away from it! Oh, sorry about that, guys. Bye.